Sam, Jack and Emily are looking for Davina at the gym.
Look, there's Davina. What's she doing? She's running. And what's she doing? No. She's smiling. She's riding a bike. Hey, I can see Freddy. What is he? Behind the bikes. She's walking towards Davina. What's she doing? He's putting something into Davina's water. Oh no, poison! Oh dear, Davina's drinking the water. And she's looking very sleepy. Oh no, Davina's falling off the bike. And Freddy's taking something from her bag. Why can't I leave Davina? No, let's go and help her.
Adiós, adiós.